Well, they contacted me, their head instructor, and they wanted to come look at our new electric buses that we'll be putting on the street very shortly. This program is their automotive program, but they're getting ready to open up a diesel program at the Moncks Corner campus. And so I thought it was a good opportunity for us to showcase the job opportunities here, but also for them to see the new technologies coming out. And the CARTA fleet will soon, one day, be an all-electric fleet. Just a natural step for them to be able to see what's coming. And a lot of people that mechanic-wise don't look at a bus as an opportunity for a job. They're scared of it, it's larger. And so that's one good reason we want to bring them out here and show them our operation and how it works.